Have you ever wondered why Saturn, the most beautiful planet in our solar system, has those incredible rings around it? No other planet has rings as bright, wide, and spectacular as Saturn. But where did these rings come from? Were they always there? And could they disappear one day? Today, we're uncovering the fascinating science behind Saturn's rings. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium, similar to Jupiter. But Saturn stands out for one spectacular feature: its massive ring system. These rings stretch over 280,000 kilometers wide, yet they are surprisingly thin, sometimes only about 10 meters thick. Imagine something wider than the distance from Earth to the Moon, but thinner than a tall building. Saturn's rings are not solid. They are made of billions of tiny particles. These particles range from microscopic dust grains to chunks as large as mountains. Most of them are made of water ice, which reflects sunlight strongly. That's why Saturn's rings look so bright and shiny compared to rings around other planets. Each piece orbits Saturn like a tiny moon, following the laws of gravity. Scientists believe Saturn's rings formed from destroyed moons or comets. Long ago, a moon or icy object may have come too close to Saturn. Saturn's powerful gravity pulled it apart in a region called the Roche limit. Inside this boundary, tidal forces become so strong that they tear objects into pieces. Those fragments spread out and began orbiting Saturn, eventually forming the ring system we see today. Another theory suggests that a comet or asteroid collided with the moon, shattering it into billions of icy fragments. Over time, those fragments formed Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings stay organized because of gravity and nearby moons. Some of Saturn's small moons act as shepherd moons. They orbit near the rings and use their gravity to keep the ring particles in place. These moons prevent the rings from spreading out too much and help maintain their distinct gaps and patterns, such as the famous Cassini division. Without these moons, Saturn's rings would slowly drift apart. Surprisingly, Saturn's rings may not last forever. NASA scientists discovered a process called ring rain. Particles from the rings slowly fall into Saturn's atmosphere due to gravity and magnetic forces. Studies suggest that Saturn's rings may disappear in about 100 million years. That sounds like a long time, but in cosmic terms, it's relatively short. This means we are actually living in a special time to witness Saturn's rings. Here are some amazing facts about Saturn's rings. Saturn actually has 7 main rings, labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The B ring is the brightest and most massive. The rings are made mostly of pure water ice. If Saturn's rings were compressed together, they might form a moon about the size of Mimas. Spacecraft, like Cassini, helped scientists study these rings in incredible detail. Saturn's rings are one of the most breathtaking sights in our solar system. They are made of billions of icy particles, likely formed from destroyed moons or cosmic collisions. Held together by gravity and shepherd moons, these rings create the stunning cosmic masterpiece we see today. But one day, millions of years from now, Saturn's rings may slowly disappear. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves space. Because curiosity is the beginning of wisdom.